Hello, today I would like to present you my version of the smallest steam boat on Earth. This all started out some years ago as I was 14 years old. I'm 30 now. And, on television I saw a program of Swiss people making watches by hand with the gearing and all the relation and everything inside. And, this isn't one of the watches. And, the watches cost about 200,000 to 300,000 euros. And I liked the program that much that I said, I want to build the smallest steamboat there is, and it has to be so small that it fits into a matchbox, and it has to be in working condition. This is it. It's fully made out of metal, as you can see. Hang on, let me zoom in on this. It's been soldered. It's just soft soldering. Can't focus that all too good on the camera. It's just 3 walls and the bottom plate. That's basically all it is. It's got a brass coil in the inside, which was quite difficult to make actually. I had to bend it with a gas flame, winding it around a wood screw. Okay, let's see how it runs. It runs on dry fuel. They call it a spit. Okay, it's on. So small it runs on a plate. Now it's going past the 1 euro cent coin. It can also run on TNT, on trinitrotoluol, which I unfortunately don't have at the moment, but I'll do a video sometime. Trinitrotoluol, if you just burn it, it's not an explosive, it just burns. Very likely to the spit that I've just got now. Because it doesn't have rudders, it just goes around in circles. As you see, the water line is quite high. Even with a small flame, it still goes quite fast. Now it's becoming slower. Yep, that was it. The smallest steamboat on Earth. Thanks for watching. Rate and comment.